Hi there, Andrea here, your lender for life. I get asked almost every day over and over, what credit score do I need to buy a home? And if you know me or have asked me that question, I will tell you it depends. And I know that's kind of vague, but there's a reason why, and it depends on who's pulling your credit. If a mortgage lender is pulling your credit, or an auto company is pulling your credit, or you're online with one of those credit monitoring services, you're going to get different scores from each of those people. And the reason why is they all use different algorithms in the way they calculate your credit score. So you have to be mindful of if you find your score online, it's going to be different than when you come to me and I pull your credit. So that's first and foremost. So next, let's talk about program specifics. And starting off with FHA. Generally, you need a 620. There are lenders that will go below that to 580, but you could have overlays, which means additional conditions that you're going to need to fulfill if you're below a 620. Next, on a VA loan, we go down to about a 600, and some of that stems for residual income and other factors, but that's a general guideline. And then we have conventional. Conventional, we stop at a 620, and I can tell you this, is that the higher the score, the better the interest rate, and the better the mortgage insurance premium. So that's driven by a conventional loan. So there's some basic guidelines about credit scores and what kind of credit you need to get into a home. But first and foremost, just remember, a home loan is unique just like you and I. So just because your credit score is one way or another doesn't mean you're not going to be eligible for a home loan. So it takes further investigation, and I look forward to helping and serving you. You can reach me 702-326-7866. Have an awesome day.
Thank you for tuning into this episode of Aundrea's Money Matters. If you have any questions or comments, please call Aundrea today at 702-326-7866.